Na. Ntoya ho bukeletsa experience ha basadi. Lot of ho gather a lot of experience. Ho tima runa banna opportunity.
Yeah.
Ya ho Ibiza.
No, I can say experience yeah.
Impress.
Oh, who
Impress
impress?
partner.
Okay.
Because come on, someone. It's like one usual if you can honna. I don't think you are not afraid. Number one, ke tlo sheba hore nna ke mang Freddy ke mang.
Yeah.
On good. Okay.
Malapa lekane.
Well, that is number one. Number two, ke tlo checka hore le jwetse nako kae.
Okay.
Ne.
Yes.
Then if le jwetse nako e telele le ntate Freddy, o jwetse right, it was a good relationship. Also ntate Freddy re jwetse nako e telele.
Nere traveler.
They travel together in. Now it means for you, or kito impress anna. O awe or tlo require dintho tse ngata jwang.
Oh. Yeah.
Aye.
Mare na I still say mo video nyo I ke rat. Yeah, woman, I can't rat ho ha.
But it's a honest truth. Hore bomalume, it's like one of bomalume about how they don't know your life. They don't know about how they tell the boy. Ujola fair like it's example. Ujola. Ube hurmeki.
Ke example. Ne ke bana le go ai le go hona le ba ile gone ba tsena ne re dira motlhala example.
Now, ke go ba re qetela. Ube hurmeki. Ne? O jole le mefuta ya batho kaofela. O robale le bona mahala. Ne? These people kaofela o jole le bona. Here I am coming. Nna ke batla build a lawyer. Bomalume ba tlo negotiate lobola le wena. I mean le rona.
Ka
wena.
Yes.
Ka nako tseo o pere ya Durban July of the horse.
Example. Yo. Mare ka hutla. It makes a lot of sense. Mare and then say the way ke tlo kwala show ya rona ka tetle mara ke utlwe hore na di viewers tsone dire viewers at home le bone na video yo
but I don't know
na why ke sa khone go create
what's ba ntho bohloko mosebetsi wa rona banna ha re fitla maphelong a batho is to impress, especially of fitla mosading. Is to impress. Now le seta di standard tse high tse etsang hore when o fitla o le November o see, because if o jotse le Freddy ke a tseba somebody ka re no Sky compare le ntate Freddy ke example.
Yes.
Sky compare le ntate Freddy but the reality of the truth at the back of my mind I will always that thing our Asian that Freddy una le di mall ona le di it will be in my mind somewhere somehow. And especially when ore ne re travel and she was doing everything for me.
Yes.
Now
ne ke na le allowance re tsa example.
Now when ore she was doing everything,
he was doing everything for me.
I mean he was doing everything for you. Now nthetlo tlankelo nya ka gore
phamisa dikausu
now o phamisa dikausu ona le because ka utsa le go tswanyana dikausu a di le kana la ke ka re ke a di hula ha le ke fela makaka
di felletse
ai
Mary, as much as this thing nah, but as much as you can say basadi badule lebo ban. Now, are you saying it's dangerous to date? Because remember, kilo gather experience now for future relationship no. Hotla wena. And then we trying this thing. Ona le tsela o mpontshang ka eno go wangata.
Ba ka bo madimabe ha se ngata lona basadi le etsang dintho tse le batho ba le jwalang le bana le ba le batlang go builda le bona. Most of the time basadi ba bangata ba etsang le batho ba o tla thola re se married man. That is the biggest problem. That is the biggest problem. I say hore I can understand if ujwala le motho who's not married but who's
I treat right well off, yes.
But ka bo madimabe basadi ba bangata le jola le ba married men, and married men ba nang le tšhelete. Now ba certain standard for lona.
Yeah.
Ba certain standard. Say hi.
Mara kiri o tshwanetse a set standard se o tshwanetse for a set standard se say hi for ke sa ka bona ba singile ke bone yene.
But now mhlango fihla ngo nna if nna a ke khone o set that standard. Ho bua nnete basadi le lona le ipolaya because toteleng ya patron wa tswa le etseng ha le tlona tifela ke di relationship. It's like when o le mosadi o taste the different taste banna ba different. Somewhere somehow it's affecting you, your sex part. Yeah,
sexual part
because also for you to adjust. It's like what I'm doing. Example, for an example.
Example
upgrade our Tawiana, upgrade our Tawiana, upgrade our Tawiana, upgrade our Tawiana. Then kausani ukopa batwana ka fela ba ulahlile bana ba introducing the penis in tsena tabo donkey peel of the camel of the horse.
Then like it too late underage.
Then bana ba qetile o sane ba ulahlile. Then ukopana lena and nna ke batla builda le wena no. Nna ke batla builda le wena. Marie ke ma short.
O short.
Ntate ma short. Suka.
Shalas. Frustration in relationship in you. Ay. Okay. Okay.
Honestly, not what's why you say one. I understand why sometimes banna ba lose interest for mutarai na basadi bana lose interest. And when udula fast utlo thola hore the experiences tsa lona ka banna ba ba nyetsweng bana ne di chelete di qeteletse di re put under pressure. Di re put under pressure.
Ako ke utlwile basadi
la o sa tlo re la o ka re honna baby but now I accept what we give.
Ko go amogela le so le nshone.
Le
bonyane mo tlang ka bona. Go amogela le bonyane mo tlang ka shone. I can see you are trying.
But now when mutare nna ke amoela le bonyane wa tsba re etsa ke lefa ntho ke lefa something ele sa tsebeng. Even if you can say no baby nna ke amoela bonyane bo mphambona, but I check the trend how ditile le batho ba jwa mofuta wa batho o ditile le bona o tlo mplela ro maka or o bua nnete. Mofuta wa batho o ditile le bona it's either o tlo o bua nnete ka ba bua maka.
O itse re se ka re bula show bontata ko tseneng tsena le ke le mplele for ntho e ke nnete mara serious le tshwara ke stress ya mare okay ntate moruti now o checkile trend ya gore na ke dateile le mofuta o jwang wa motho, then you find gore ka wena ke lowile standard. Be ke nkela wena. That thing ya gore ke nketse wena and then wa bona gore ka o rata, wa bona gore I'm there for you. Why is a go dire for o be at ease?
It will take time. It can happen or ke bo go be easy, but it can o ka nka nako sometimes. Wa bona o ka nka nako. Wa tsaba mthwane e o di kereke. Hey, baby, Kabona, baby, I'm accepting you with the
little you have. Ko amohela ka bonyane bo tlang ka bona yo basadi. Mara ke re bere o bo stepile low. Mara we can do that. It's okay, ndadumro o no go ankaraba ge. Gore na ore ntho ya gore ke stepile low ke amogetse wena le bonyane bo tlang ka bone. It will take time gore o be at ease ka yona.
Not unless bile ntate modimo mhlomong ke example ntate modimo aba nthusa be ke ba le bogoni then o ka ba easy, but once ke se bogoning ba batho ba o kileng wa data le bona, automatically it will always come back to my mind to reach muthu. But let us be honest. Let us be practical. You are used to somebody who from Boma 10,000. You are used to somebody who from Boma 20,000. Okay, baby, here you are today. Oko panalin ka 2,000 ka 1,000 rand. Baby, tsara mtwaka.
Ikagale 500 dira difference. Ko motho go wa bo picture wa precious and o la number 1.5 o 4,000. Hey. Mari ke galo go tla di viewers wait. Ori this thing is ke galo go tla di viewers. Ele gore this thing e affectile Dr. November fela because nane kere ona I bua ale personal taba gore bo malume na le ke le dule le batjana le botse batjana gore batjana le phila yang, so that at least bo malume le nne le idea.
Video yeno ka guys ke itse bo malume ene ka re ba ka botsa batjana ba bona before ba negotiate di lobola tsa bona, then a botse motjana yo o phila jwang o jwetse jwang o etseng ha qetile malume a njwetse gore yena o na tlo gona o nyala motho.
Lenana ke good idea for bo malume ba ilo re dulisa mo fatshe ba re botseng kapa le re ha le shebile e tswa ko maikutlong tabae
ha le ka fonela mama re le ntate
kore kapa tabae e tswa nna ke re nna ja ka mosadi ka e bona ha ke sheba for e yone e tswa ko maikutlong mo ke maikutlo bua. Now re sherang le rona mo di number tse you call us on this number and you become part of this topic, and we are aware that we have not yet opened the show professionally, so today we are aware and we apologize for that, but ra kopa calling this numbers 061 503 4617 061 503 4617. Tseding ke 061 095 5039 067 095 5039, or you can send your comment on our comment section. Re bleleng gore lona le ikutlwa yang ka taba e ya malume.
That Mathe o jwa
Ke le kae pa?
re te
Ke pa.
ke Mathe
E ke na pa.
Mana skis mogotsi wa ka mane ke re ona ke nana ke Mathe mongwe ka wa kerekeng a skis mogotsi wa ka man.
Okay.
Askis
No, thank you.
Sha ke nana ke ntho Mathe wa kerekeng yaka
Okay. Viewers at home, while Dr. November is still looking for somebody whom to call, you can share with us. The number that you can call us on are 061 503 4617. 061 503 4617.
Re kwala show vandag.
Yes. Vandag, re a festive.
Ba mo phokile di guests tsa hae.
Re tlo go itla mo. Ai, batho ba bo malome a ba gabele. Other one ki 067 095 5039. 067 095 5039. And wa bona e a go easy go ka phone bo mme. And mare bo mme bone ka itse bana ba tlo phone ya. Bontate wa bona aba phone. Viewers at home, re batla utlwa maikutlo a lona. Ha lona. Le ka se ga lena maikutlo.
Okay.
Kapa le kgotsofaletse go gontsha di 30th hour.
Okay, go re phone le mogotsi mo wa ka tsena. Ke mo tsebang gore yana nka mothola.
Okay. Viewers at home, you can also send us your WhatsApp. O ka senda WhatsApp wa re jwetsa gore nna o se lerato go so. Ne nna tabe ya bo malume ke utlwa e sa ntuli sentle kapa nna tabe ya bo malume ke utlwa intula right. You are more than welcome to send us a WhatsApp o re jwetse ha re bueng. Tell us gore na lona le re eng experience how otla to somebody who is experienced na ntho yeo e samkela ko igonya gago as a man kapa o right ka yone na. Now wa bona if le sa phone na o la prove ge gore maikutlo ne le ntate moruti e ne le maikutlo ga gona se se yalo mo bophelong bo re bophela. La bona le buiwa set home lona mara
Counseling mona ke cancela motho fa o e loileng di mona ke mo cancela.
Amona mo go be tshwarelo hlamla kwa ta botsa potso one fela ke life bolela motho eno go 1 minute fela.
E di o ke le motho wa manyalo ke bua ka manyalo cancela ka manyalo mo thusa mo.
matla le
Ro batla
yo nantho
ai ina yena ntate ke wa lona o phositse o tla ba sa ithuta le ene ke nna
mogotsi njwetse ha o kopana le mosadi motho wa mme ne then aba o jwetsa gore ne ke data le mang le qoqa ne and ha o sheba bathwana ba bothola re na jola le bathwana le mokotla o mongata ne and then bana ba mo spoiler bana ba mo etsetsa dintho ke kopa o botsa hore e etsa ntho eno ho wena as a man
eso sa re bitsa nda se go re inferiority complex le
akotime
yo go tlile se go se buiba
ke re ka mfonela ka phone if manena le speaker se loud mogotsi ke kopa o fonela ka phone na speaker se loud nyana
all right
sure
o tlo mutli
sure viewers at home ke kopa don't go anywhere ye yone ka ga bole hloka go e utlwa a ke re nna I said Dr. November o bua out of maikutlo ha gona ntho yalo ya gore when o kopana le motho ana le experience e tshamekela ko igonya bontate tshamekela ka now re tlo ba on a call right now le Dr. Mshieni Mgadi e bentse e ba one of the guests tsa gona mo ke motho le motsebang ha holo ke ntate Moruti now re tlo bua
wena mathe
now re tlo bua le ene go ke wo
kiri nteno ikoti because it's to set and to become inferiority complex.
Inferiority complex.
Ke
Sure.
sekgowa sena.
Yes, ntate.
Because when ke tseba gore motho a tlileng a tlang bophelong ba ka o tswa mofuteng o tswang wa batho ntho eno number one e tlo impha challenging now if ke se motho a kgonang go phula di-socks tsa ka go rise a level o ntse ka nna itsa gore nka mo loser motho ke ntho ke inferiority complex se di ntho eo ke feel gore this lady o sa tlwaetse this pattern kapa this level so every time ke se ke sebetsa ka thata o etsa bonnete ba gore ke dula ke tswile ke dula ke tswile because jwale e mpha di-responsibility tse extra tsa gore ke ne ke go kgotsofatsa level e ke nneileng go yona ene ke ape game yaka so ntho ya tshosa ka setlhogo
Mare ntate Moruti, if a sa kgethile wena, why can't you be satisfied with the fact that she decided to choose you?
To the most unfortunate, it's unfortunate that the character tsa basadi le tsa banna ha di tshwane.
Okay.
Nna if ke choositse motho ena ha ile nna ke mo kgethileng o tsebe basadi ba jwa basadi ke batho ba expectant ke ditse jwale ke batho ba tebello ke batho ba lebellang so now ha tla bophelong ba automatically o lebeletse something better than where she comes from.
Hey.
Hey.
Yo.
Hey.
Ba expectant basadi basadi lona basadi ha le nthong e tshwanang le tswang go yona le ya nthong e batlang e le betiro feta e le tswang go yona ene le ha le ka fa e ka tlase chance le expectile testing e le leng go yona e be betiro feta ya le tswang go yona.
Okay, ntate Moruti, wow.
Now ke yona ntse creating inferiority complex eo because when motho wa mosadi rona batho ba bontate we are different really adjusters basadi ke di expectant banna ke di adjusters a ke di ke sense le batho
o etsa sense haholo banna ke batho ba ka adjustang le boemo ba basadi ke batho ba ileng hore they are expecting.
Exactly ene basadi re ka sebetsa le gore ha o le mosadi ha nna ke le monna o tla bophelong ba ka wena o le lerato.
Yes.
Who is wonna as monna ho adjusta kapa ko adjust ko tlise to level ena e ke leng ho yona but basadi bona ba ke di expectant banna ke di adjusters basadi ke di expectant basadi ba lebella basadi they will tell you hore ke tswa life and la a ke bua ka leong because how le excited o le mosadi tla bophelong ba ona di ntse ba sensitive di bua mara ha re se re twailang ke ona mo jalo tlompotsa gore wena o kilo a ratana le skomota and skomota ona o palamisa Z class and ntse tso di tsereletsa ikong ya monna tseno.
Okay. Thank you, Ntate Moruti.
No thank you. No thank you. Anya no mogotsi. Now ke re mogotsi o rona banna o ntso le a multimillionaire o ka monka mosadi ya sena nix
because le batho ba le di adjusters la adjust.
The adjusters
Yes. Now, okay.
Now number 2 mogotsi ke re le ha kare nna ntse ke bolela le ratso ke le ha a kare but baby nna ke amoela bonyane bo mphang bona mare kelellong ya hao e reng to as a man.
Yeah.
That they expectant e bua fela ntho e thusa wena ka rakelelo ya ho esmona that's why ke reng e bapalla iko because ntho ha re wena ke o amohela o le jwalo ha ona assurance ka hlonya wena jwalo ka monna wa tseba rona banna re di competitors ndate o ska le bala rona banna re tseka ntho one ka ofela mogotsi re tseka ntho one that's why bonang banna ba nkela banna ba ba banna buyella banna ba chitela banna ba ba so now how atalampela rwang accept ha ke measure ke sheba mo atsanteng nteno ha inconvince ya rwang accept ke be inconvince ha ona monna ka convince ke ntho
ayo hle mona mogadi teta o
ayo o ka se convince monna o tswa from a multi-million o ratana le multi-million o botso ratana le morutiana anta gola tithing ya kereke mo shera monelo le kereke ha ona monna ka convince ke ntho
not unless he wena o le mosadi le wena you are financially stable mohlomong
financial stable yes ke ne ke batla o tsojwale
yes not unless
e
hlalosa mogotsi
ha mosadi eno a le financial stable apart from mosadi ya tswileng di-million se nga batla mona a se le centenier a sa le brokunyana mokgotsi ha le financial stable o is mo accepta because o dilana le motho nang dintho tse pela hae mara ha o dilana le motho e ntate a tlang mo senang dintho a tswa dintho
it's a counseling kubai
o kotse show a kotse show ntate moruti yo
thank you mogotsi ntse ke bolela seleke ke re di finya basadi ba etsang on a serious note mogotsi a ba tsebe hore it's all ya ba sinyeletsa banneng because you know ke re o seleke and most ya banna ba ratang go spoiler basadi ke bana ba tla thola hore ba nyetse ne but ba spoiler this single woman Baba spoil it because you're now nyetso na le una le bukgoni. Now this single woman mohlanga fihlang wena no wena you don't know where to start. Gore motho how do you re ke ratana le mama how na no mo fa 2000 felo na na ore
mama ka di 40,000 te ka beke
yeah
mama na di rat mama wa tseba di sinye bishop ba buang o bua nnete basadi ba ngata ba sinyeletswa ke ntse ngata ke re ke le tloella he ke tswelle pele ka counseling mama ela le rat basadi wa tseba basadi ba tswang basadi ba sana le dinuwa wa tseba nuwa
snake
and that's why bonang le bibileng ba le ba relate hantle ba ba utlwana basadi le dinuwa ba na le almost the same character mosadi ha santsa hatsetsi will never bite you ha santsa le desperate for a man ha no luma mar mohlang a senga le settle ta realize or dihloko ta ka se di le ngata ha ona mosadi ya willing utwa manaleng a 2000 ta ba ya manaleng a 40 rand that's where she bites when a qala sa futumetse ka hare mind wa e hopola gore mar nna ke tswa ka hara piano ke tswa ka hara Range Rover ke tswa ka hara ke tswa ka hara spoiling sa 2000 30,000 te ka kgwedi that's the time a striker and the minute a qala luma o bontsha fela gore no wena motho e ke lempela hao you cannot handle this level because ona le banna ba isekile ona le banna ba setang standard ba beyang level e tlo tlamea gore nna ke tlo adjusta ke nyuluele go yona ka nako seo nna ke fana ka 2000 rand ke nyuluela jwang leveleng eno
yo a tsolla ka counseling tate moruti re le buile thank you wow yo and then Sepo Nkolonyane are prophet bo malume kai haba na understanding dinthong tse ngata number 1 banka le hlakore number 2 ba sheba gore now o na le eng o tswere eng then o tlabe o ba bona ba ka utlwisisa ba tla sheba gona ba tla utlwisisa or not that means bo malume ba bang ha ba rate motho ho ya ka hore na ba mo rata fela ba tla ba sheba gore mara motho o ke mang le gore na o na le eng is then bo tla bo bona bo malume ka reng ba na le understanding towards you and then ya ba heke di comment tse ntse dire ntate moruti mkadi o bua nete and then Kheleza tsotsotsi okay
Baika
ke ntate mong hape have viewers at home
o shapa buti
ya ntlo big boss
shapo man a go njwetse ha ka ra o kopana le mosadi o na le di intentions tsa monyalo ba tla phela le a ba o jwetsa re be le qoqa ka di ex tsa lona a ba o jwetsa re ene ke ratana le mang le sei ke kopa etsa mohlala a ba o jwetsa re ne ke na le a ke tselo ro right na o bon a bitsa batho ana le di mall ka pa bitsa batho ana le di
kapa di directors kai
director bana e etsa nteno ho wena as a man
big boss a lo so sa phone nngwe e la di tlharetlhere la khona ukwantle
phone ena e tira o le ska ba ntela
le life
yes tsara phone e aka e aba bona ka
matata maisi
ya ukala ntati ha re compare phone ka itire feta hao ska ba ntela mama ke re o kopana le motho o jola le ene ne so le qoqa ka hore le tswa kae a ba o jwetsa re sene ke jwala le mang and ha re mo shebile batho bana ke batho bana ba nang le ditšhelete ke batho ba di business tse kgolo ke batho bana ba let's say bana ba rich motho na o jwetsa re mo tsa motho ka tla tla bampa 10,000 ka bona tla bampa 20,000 and then ho wena e etsang kelelong ya hao
ke sa ile biko wa nita ke sa ile
sure mara this thing e bohloko yo
e sempa go ke gold digger botho hello
ke
teng mamets
ai khona ke gold digger biko sa ke sa ile ye
hey
next tutor
how say
ke sa ile big boss ka pele hle ke kgaole ka pele before ke ba dipu ye
ntle le hore ke gold digger ke ngape ka o frustrateang ka ntho
ona jola le batho le mo tshwana le ditšhelete so motho a ona mo fa 20 kapa 10,000
yes
ene wena o gona o afford
big boss ke se jole le motho a jwalo ke sa afford a ke se jole le motho a jwalo man o tlo nkenya under pressure gore
wow
ke go ba under pressure hai khona ha ona nix ke go bona ke tsang ka yo
kubai
sure thank you
yo
thank you
o tla ba
Baika
ka pressure
go shene se maikutlo he
o tla ba ka pressure
balla ka pressure nnete sibili ai viewers at home ai ntse le mo utlwa bontate that the Muruti Mugade spoke about pressure and then Abutere Mofonetseng lene also spoke about pressure now that the Muruti for ke conference ya bontate ke conference ya bontate Vandaga viewers at home and then I hope my ladies you are sitting there and taking notes because truly speaking this one yona e batla be re dutse fatshe re nka di notes because some of you ladies kapele ke some of us ke sa ka re e be ka re nna ke pala some of us lost good men because of the experience leading we lost good now it is shows like this or sessions like this where we get to understand kapa to know gore mare re dirile di mistakes kae
papa what's I go paribeng 1 minute one pa
1 minute doctor Romanetse le babedi doc
leke mamela he for now ke ya ka le lona ke go bua ka thoko mara no ke ntong ke live show ne now ke batla o botsa as man kapa as a presenter e ke ratang ya radio ne for now ya ka le lona ke go bua qetile but now re na le topic e ntse re etsa mo when ene ke go pa favorite ka ba ikenela because ke moqoqo fela ke re but I see empty if ka kopana le motho a ba re kapa batla o nyala o bo kopana le motho le qoqa ba o jotsa re nna ke dateile le bo mang ke dateile le monga kana ke ka mo motho FM le ngwana te complex ya
Twin City
ke ne ke dateile le monga Twin City ne ke dateile le monga molo ya ne and then atso motho ka na tletseng spoe ene ona mpha bo ma 20 bo ma
ka birthday na nkisa bo vacation
ka birthday na nkisa oh can you date le motho kapa o ka enjoy o commit le
number 1 doc ke tlo tlameya hore ke mo etso ra utlwisise hore nna ke mang mme bo emo bo ke leng ho bona hana jwale ke bofeng le nna ke utlwisitse hore na yena ke motho wa boemo bofeng mme ke difeng dintho tsa di lebelletseng ha ile go ntsa lebelletse bophelo ba monna Twin City kapa ba ntate Free kapa ba ntate Motsepe a tsebe fela hore nna ke boemong bofeng o tswa ho yena hore na kgetho ya ke seng hore o tla emelana le nna ka 200 ke tla mo fang yona kapa ntsa mo ka 20,000
ke tlotse ai ke tlotse dai
Can
but in your mind e ka etsang he ha o so buella banna kaofela o nana ntho ene ka etsang go banna
ke nana ntho eno doko e tlo le matsa bontate ka taba ya pressure because ha ona ntate a ka batlang go fetwa ke ntate mong ego ya bontate e dula ile problem wena dok ka le baka fela la hore motho ena o ne utlwana le motho yana mo fa di 20,000 la ntse ke sena yone ke ka etsa le botsotsi ba hore fela the first 5 months a dire bana le period e batho ba re bitsa 90 days ka 60 90 days nya pele ke ka etsa botho ba hore ke lontsha di-savings sa ka thupo tsa ka ke ntshe ke mo fe di 20,000 ke tseo but e tla be le acting dog ka mora nako ke tlo gutlela bonneng ba
ai yo but this is very serious
wa tsantse re bua eng ntse ke bua le sedike le di viewers re you know basadi ntho ya hore ba date le batho bana bana le tšhelete tse ngata and most of the time basadi ba date le bana bana le tšhelete tse ngata a se ngata ba dateang le banna ba senyele o tla thola hore ba dateang le banna ba nyetseng now banna bana ba nyetseng ba spoile basadi bana ba ise bokae ba fe ditšhelete tse ngata wena o fihla o batla o ikhomita le motho o sheba dikobonyana tsa hao hore di o kae
o sheba dikoba tsa ba di fihlile maotong to ba tseba o iphutetse ka lepainya yo basadi ba yo nna ke utlwile ntate mongwe wa Lesotho re basadi bana ke baji
happy anniversary wena o ithusitse o kgethe o tswela eneng rona re santse re le mathateng ka nnete ko rona le batho ba reng o qeta o qoqa le eletse a qeta o fana lane ya hae o utlwe moya wa hao o ya maotong jwale ka golf ya makhalate o utlwe moya wa hao o wa e ka re
yes
ai thank you Tebza ke tlo bua le lona he favorite
okay
but it's a serious issue.
Yeah.
It's a very serious
issue here.
I don't want to.
Now I have my ladies here. Kabona di commente diente. Now they are asking, now if that's the case, then they will start not to talk about their past.
You know the problem about that. Again, you are risking because that is the problem. Again. And the third part is high.
Okay. Mare.
What's about I met this lady. I'm in Arjuna about 200 and then Kai puts our market impress and it is not right. I go from experience. And then Kata Tilili. Bakitaka bike, kifika kimunga bike, and then thinking or jolly to enjoy a bike because at least try the collins and at a plata. The bitwa. Collected on that plata someone.
Can the collector plata?
Then at a tour. Bomaster, Bomaster,
Bopoch,
boy. Try the collected one. And I go blank hard come to Tarmotana and the fleet, yeah, the color fleet.
Yeah.
Okay. Very well then. Mustang Kitlanga bike. Now I was very excited or this time.
Would like something different.
A different bike, you agree on.
o tlisa wow baby. No, I'm sorry, God, we listen and we don't judge. Like, ngaka o bona we aparetse bike ya gago. O ya aparetse o le sure.
Abare a gotsa e kare o kala bike kala ma bike eng.
O bile wa mo wa rider le.
I'm excited ka. What o kila etsa o boetsala. I don't know what happened. Be ke rele phone be ke bona phone ya hae mo anang le a kentseng dintho tsa di bike le the same person
ya ne ana le dikoloi tse ngata le tse flat excitement
ne kere
bonyane
and that thing, on a serious note, guys, if banna a tough time, I get even if banna tough time, you end up to do things for this person. Bon, it's a problem. Kore la ga ra go yetsanto oburi wo kore ka ba impressed. I keep impressed because ke atwa ka naba you are trying to make me okay but to want to say bit it dear moral wa banna.
Okay. Mare ha re bue ka ha re etse
Utlwa this guy are ana bila ka bale.
Yeah, yes.
Just imagine mutara ka bale ya. It can destroy a moral ya motho.
Okay. Hona le motareng Evodia if ever smiling are bontate ba mathateng. And then
But Evodia won Evo won it. Or and this thing it lose somewhere somehow to lose interest.
Yeah.
Guys, okay, let me talk about me. Can myself. You end up losing interest. Mugade ubile something very Dr. Mugade ubile something very powerful. The third part, basadi aliba twarata ngolowa standard.
Yeah, no. Already adjust us. No.
Okamba wa bata
wa apisa standard. If mosadi omun oya to better from what she was. Ha gona motsadi a sebeletsang go khutela morao but le relationship o tswa relationship nye e tlang o batla be le betere go feta o tswang ho yona.
So now le nna la ba ke nana o etsa dintho e bolaya morale ka sehlomo.
Okay. Mare okay go kopa fela ke ba le comment ya Cynthia Molif a re bontate ba bolawa ke ego. That's all. Sometimes it's not about what you have or how much do you have or whether you will be able to keep me on that level or not. Now, Cynthia, I'm here. I decided to be with you. Why would you like ego?
We cannot run off. For the fact that you dated Batwana and Lichelet, already umbrella or Batwana and Lichelet.
Yes, you came. Why that thing
because of different reasons. You can't do because no one can Lichelet. That is number one. You can't do because of feel about in. Only to find out also to see in naturally Ntani armor high. Mona tembile who mona because una can't date about because of boutin. Una lintin mutara I won't atimala and chelten na bantin to about Mbasna and Chenet. But the bottle household thing at Obona, still you are not happy. So it's a problem, and we cannot run away to Benya ego ya bonta toru no lekabato if riskarabado. Ego yabona is there and it's there forever. That is why each and every time banda babato impressa basadi. Mono musebet waruna bana is to make sure that they impress basadi. But when usatibujalo utomu impressa it become a problem.
Okay. Mona na hanse ribua le ha re bua le all these men, we did not mention taba ya hore if you dated a married man kapa re buile ka dating, right? Now basadi kibana ba re Dr. November rona rile ra tlwaetsa life ke motho o single, not married. Do we still judge mosadi ole a itlela le innocent?
Are mo judge you because
Then ego ya gago teng tla be sa be affected.
still in the club affected.
Jana re tlo etsa njang?
No, still in the club affected. As much ngaske ka o judge because on a serious note, on a datela le motho o snang.
Abang rata ka love.
Asanyala, but for the fact that you dated Lily Moti, who is very successful of it, automatically. And a little naslike, lalkela leka we justify alona basadi. Lelo na le basadi, le a tseba or le batla batho ba nang le tjhelete. Le a tseba. Ntshebe. Le batla batho ba nang le tjhelete. And that thing or le batla batho ba nang le tjhelete, it's in our mind. Re a tseba le rona le batla batho. So especially if nka tseba hore kila data le batho ba nang le tjhelete, automatically it's going to affect me somewhere somehow. Solution is to balance. Don't go for what is far below your
Standard. Mara go tshwana no the topic
You
you
know-
can
you know-
understand
you know-
you understand
to
the
me-
point of view ya gagwe.
To me, I thought you were going. Lona basadi le sentence standard is le lona le seng ho sona.
Hey.
Because I can come to you because keep lela ragna le wena re almost similar to
Standard in se batle sona yes.
Na but lona basadi e wese ya lona le gona upper standard but let's abuse ke lona let's abuse ke bontate bana. Now o thola re o apile standard se o seng ho sona. Because if go ke nka unkwe ke ntatana le di tšhelete ana le di mall ana le di England o apisa wena standard. But na ko sheba ke bona mo television yaka.
Yeah.
That is the sad part.
Ooh. Ooh.
Mara you say
utlwisisa hantle.
because I can see like when I join most ya basadi it is not like basadi ba ona jwale they are successful. No, most of them yes hona basadi ba very successful ba financially stable but ase bohle ba financially stable ba bang they are not. But the same person who's not financially stable life ay pitting leveling you deal leveling ya high. I mean if it a level I phela yo
I can't go le silent helper. Hey. Okay. And then Cynthia wa khutla. I can't ona a itse bontate the problem ke go fela lena le ego and then yena ha sa kgethile wena o kgethile wena and then you must be happy. Then wa khutla another thing is I am able to do those things for myself. I cannot expect monna ho nketsetsa dinto tse nna ke sa di kgoneng. But that is Cynthia.
Kapo mandima most of us they are expecting. Murutu mgado bui. Most of us they are expecting.
Okay, and then yeah.
Cynthia Ubuafel. Yes, that is why written. Ho basadi ba khonang. O ka se be
le problem.
Because you know this person has to expect
much from when yes.
But ho basadi ba sna next bar ba ilemba ba phela that life. I automatically it's going to affect you.
And then Evodia Eve ever smiling but sometimes okatola hore yes you were spoiled but not loved. So if you finally get somebody who genuinely loves you, we settle for such. Otloba mathateng ke wena but o thole le 200 eo a o fang yona e tlo ntabisa o le 200 am fang yona e tlo ntabisa ka mantse mang monana a re yene o setlela for lerato go feta standard.
A go re ke mogotsi wa ka wa DJ.
Okay.
Mogotsi wa ka ke life ne ke kopa o botsa potso. Mogotsi ke kopa ska ba dropa ke kopa o botsa potso. Ke kopa mamedi ke ba le radio DJ e kgolo a go mpimo. Mamela mogotsi ha o ka kopana le motho bo data le motho ne and then ha ntse le data bo kopana le na o jotsa gore ne ke ratana le bo mang monga molo yena ne ke ratana le monga monga Twin City kaofela ne ke ratana le mang you know motho o na mpa bo ma 14 and ya butwaka e etsang ntwe e ka etsang wena as a man how it's about how
because we expectile hore o tlo mo fa 50,000 out of 30 chance it's 50 wena e bo rate o be se ka 20 rand o tlo ba le
ke sona ka sa dishem
haebo o tshwaetse o be se ka tšhelete ya fasa o tlo ba le se batla salad moruti moruti re batla motho a kenyang a emetseng order machine salad order number purchase number
kuba mkhotsi ke tlo go tlala wena qetile
hi like all men ba bua story se tshwana
o motlile re a re o tlo kenya pressure
o tlo kenya pressure
and this guy who successful the teacher very successful teacher
yeah but the very successful person le no feel a tlo tsinyetswa pressure okay hona le motho a itse kopa ba anonymous ego ya bontate e very fragile le ha re ka pata our past di past di na le tsela ya teng ya go tswa motho le motho ha a jole le motho a kgonang ho mo afford o motho le motho ha jole le motho a kgonang ho mo afford wa tseba o slira mo killing ke convinced hore ntse ke kopana le banna ba wrong le re ba rekiswa ke WhatsApp le re ba rekiswa kae banna ba betchang bathong hobane rona ba bang our loving hearts do not allow us hore re seke ra treat our partners like kings.
I can understand.
Arena le re ba re are yena o convinced ma dutsing teng hore o ntsa kopana le banna ba wrong. Now wa re botsa hore na banna ba o ba betcha ba rekiswa kae ampe a ikele because yena pelo ya hae ha e dumele hore a rata motho a ba sa mo treat jwalo ka kgosi a sa mo treat like a king ne o utle e ka re o ka re baby nka mogolo wa ka ke hey when hey o tla bona o yetsa eng how o rata without expectation no hare arabe caller ke tla khutlela mo hello caller re telle kae rato la ka
ke teng me wa ke kopa go bua tabela ka pa ke kopa go botsa tabela me wa
o ka bua
okay ya gore ko nna nka re le bomme ha re tshwana re ke tse mosala ka nna re ke tse mosala ka nna ke ya sebetsa ke na le koloi ke na le dikoloi tsa ka ke na le haka ke na le haka habedi ke na le haka hae kwana Free State ke na le haka hape Gauteng ke le antse a ikhudisetsa bana ke le mo ene ke rata ntate modimo ba ne mongwe a sebetsa e mong go hana go tsetsile grade 12 ke busy kana hore a be le license fela mara ha ke na bothata ba hore nka ratana le ntate a senang tšhelete ha ke na ke tswa mme wa ka ke tswa ka hara relationship e jwalo ya motho a ka fatshe gonna fela a sebetsa mara ke kgona go mo feta ha ke ya bana le bothata ka boemo bono ebile a sena habo a sena ha hae a dula habo a hlola le ho ke ho ithekela diaparo ena ka boyena fela mara boemong bo ka utlwisi ko go ya ka nna go utlwisisa hore ka hare go lenyalo kapa ka hare go relationship dintho tse tshwareyang ha di a lokela hore bobedi re di shebe hobane ke dintho tse ka nnang tsa tsoa di fedile go sane nna ho ya ka nna go utlwisisa fela go nna ka nna batho ba babedi ba ka hare ho lenyalo kapa batho ba babedi ba ratanang ausi lerato ho hlokahala nako le lerato tse ngata tsena mme wa ka di tla latela ka re ke shebe batho bana ba nyalane hore batho bana ba nyalane ba na le dintho ha ntate a kula kapa ha ntate a fellwa ke mosebetsi kapa ditjhelete tsa ntate di fela lenyalo le lona la fela mme wa sutha lebaka le etsang hore a suthe ke hobaneng o kene a shebile dintho tse tshwarehang
Okay.
Jale
go Dr. November ka
potso ya ka ke a hore ke kopa ho botsa hore na e le hore nna ka nnete ha ke na bothata ba hore nka nyalana kapa ka ba ka ho dikamano le motho a senang letho le hobane ke pela hore re tlo tla re tsala ha ke tshabe ho tsala hore nna le ena re ka tsala bophelo fatshe le yena hoba tseo ke na le tsona ke tsaka le ena tse bangana le tsona ke tsa ha ba sena le ha ke na bothata bona ba hore nka tsala bophelo fatshe nna jale potso ka ke na hore e le hore jale ka le site la bomme ha ile hore o tshwanele ho kopana le motho wa ntate ne a sena letho ke phoso hore o ka tsala bophelo fatshe le yena
re etsa jwang ka Dr. November au
ke kopa ke saene ke kopa ngala le mohloma ka ba le potso le wa ka ya
okay
no it's like ya pele the difference between them ke ntho ke tseng while o kopana le motho ya nang le dintho tsae o ba easy because it's like ona jwale if ke kopane le wena o sona o tlwaetse a good life mare o ntso le ka ra yona ho fapane le ho kopana le wena o se ka ra yona
ba batla o tlo itsebiswa ke wena
batla no o bile hore o ntso e etsa le tse o ntso o ratana le batho ba nang le tšhelete but now so ratana le nna no ne but o se leveling eo
ka different
because I've learned something most ya rona re batla ntho tse re senang tsona mare motho a senang a nang le dintho o ka e mare mo le lerata tje
What's ntate wa ka na ka re ke utlwa hantle taba e bua
ne ke tla ho wena ko arabe
okay ntate
ke ne ke re nna on a site la basadi le basadi ba bang ba ya etsa ntho ba date le motho a sena nix mar ba bang le bona ba ntse ba e tshaba basadi ne ya etsahala but hangata e etsahala ka di age tse itseng
okay
wa bona aus I can tell you ha ke mo tsebe ba o 40 above o le mori ka e gaetse diaka
ke na le 45 mo nda
I win Dr. November
okay because o le rata ke kopa re o mamele ke kopa o tlo mamele fela ke tla re tla bua le wena o mametse Facebook
okay thank you ntate
what's manna seleke the only thing o ska lebala message wa motho the only thing it's when o ka ba le lehlohonolo la o kopana le motho ya dumelang because nnete se bele re mofuta batho ba dumelang dintho tse different
Yes.
Ho na le basadi ba dumelang tšheleteng, ho na le basadi ba dumelang leratong, ho na le basadi ba re dumelang family.
Yeah.
E bitswang companionshiping, ke bitswang
Ship.
o tla ba like if o ka kopana le
Mofuta o
mofuta ono.
Okay.
Basadi bana ba dumelang
family kapa ba dumelang lerato.
lerato. Basadi ba dumelang lerato ke bona ba ka reng ha are
Ke tla kgotsofalla eng le eng o tlisa.
because a dumela lerato who easy to believe.
Now ho yena what matters ko ho ratwa.
O rata.
Okay.
And ba appreciate the smallest things about the thola.
Okay.
Easy to them.
Okay.
But bana ba ratang but ba ratang good life. Ba after money, ba after good life. Us re ba bona ka
Kae ntate Moruti? Kae?
ka mefuta ya batho ba datang le bona.
Mara ke re mofuta o ha o ba late ba itlisa. Now we cannot say how tla batho ba itseng ho wena then wena
But
o
how rata good life o tlo banka la ba se bana le basadi ba bona because ha o batle bona batla life o batla le tšhelete.
no ha o re yalo then.
Basadi ba ratang good life le ba ratang tšhelete ma bona ka mefuta batho ba datang ka bona.
No gona is after money.
Yeah, ke motho a ratang tšhelete ke motho a ratang good life. Ha una mmona a ratane le batho ba leveleng yae kapa ba ka tlase kapa level ha re tloelle
Ba ka tlase leveleng yae.
a ba ratane le basadi batho banna ba leveleng tsa bona.
Okay. But still Nandate Moruti, I still say
Ha le re tshwarise mathata ntho ntse tsa mojolo. Hai ke a bona ba banna ba ile banneng ba bang basadi le re ba ile praying.
yaing.
Ke nana banna ba tlo understand gore mona thabo.
Bla a ke nane.
Bontate lona ba ntse ba ye bontate ba ba ke sa le kwatetse.
O ka se rialo ntate Moruti, o le ntate. No o ka se rialo ntate Moruti. Bomme ba ntse go le go
Ntate
itse.
Thabo.
Le ntate Thaba.
Ntate Thabang.
No Marie.
No, it's frustrating. On a serious note, it's frustrating the way dintho di etsalang ka teng nowadays.
Mary, you know the saddest part about this whole thing ke Ntate Moruti ne, it's because I believe le basadi ba ba shebelletseng the show right now ba ne ba sa itse gore the whole thing ke mistake, and now it is said when o dutse ha tsebe le gone o bontshuang mistake, because ha ke re wena when you date you dating for love and for a then motho kena fitlang a go introduce to this lifestyle anger. Now how so we tlwaetse ke teng mo e bang a problem, as much as it is frustrating mo go lona banna. I think le mo bone bo osi basadi bale, it is also frustrating because it is not nice to lose motho mo ratang because I feel like your standard of living is too high, and also iketsetsa tsona.
And lentina ene le a se phele le wena self o se sona.
A ke re o bo se utlwile bo se enjoy o bo se utlwa se monate.
Johnny ne go founetse wena monna.
Ne, but truly speaking, as much as it is frustrating mo go lona, I believe le mo basading it is frustrating. I believe
frustrated ke
taba ya gore o tlo go lose motho o mo ratang because I feel like gore your past o na le experience too much, because I don't think it just fela bontate ha ba. I don't think taba ya tšhelete alone, as much as it's a major one, but I don't think yone money alone ya contribute. Ke nahana le taba tsa bo sexual life. Le nana tšhelete fela.
Ke tšhelete. Re na la tšhelete because o ka nna etsala re yena neng a o isa kae wa di molo le eng o tlo thola re ka nna ba sexual a good nna bile ke nna good because bile e etsala jalo hangata banna ba senang letho bonyane re na le mo re leng good nya.
yane wa le sa itshwarelletse ka pilara eo le leng buti mo yona wa le sa itshwarelletse ka pilara eo le dule mo bonyane because I ke re tlhalogantse malapa a lekane and then Betty Marupeng, it is very, very bad in a relationship to speak about your ex. When you meet a person, never allow to dig the past because it will affect both of you. I personally once met this guy. He wanted to speak about his ex and I refused him because I noticed that if your partner speaks about his previous relationship, it means he still loves the person. So I didn't give him that platform because I don't want to affect how he feels about me. We had a very beautiful relationship, though it ended. We never get hurt or get affected mentally because we were only talking about us. We left each other with peace and we were deeply in love. No hard feelings at all because we never threw harsh words to each other. It was my first experience to end courtship with good manner without causing hurts.
But I can say maybe I can say but in the ex can I get about problem by Shola John release the Tasha about the ex. I get because automatically Ruto Buanga who look at Naluana because Rupeta Copan has Halor Copan.
Something play guy.
Number two, for me, it's sometimes re-rebate, especially when you want to batla settle le motho obvious o tlo batla o tseba gore motho ona ke mang o phetse jwang
ke eng ntho e mo pleasang ke ntho sa mo pleasing now ntho e mo pleasang go tshwanetse a refer back to ntho ana tswa ko yona gore but you know what
life I referrally in a sense ya gore o batla o please o bua ka ex but se ke tsore when o batla o commit le motho obvious hona le go tlo batla motho ba background ya motho o phetse jwang o no jola jwang not unless halina the intention because if it's not the intention ke sa batho build alwe then I get to batla tseba next.
Okay.
If I don't want to build anything lwena then who is or ke ka batla a re tlo bua next. I'm not going to be interested a re tlo bua kan anything because we don't want to build. But if you want to build the limit automatically una le go tlo batlang go ba o tseba ka motho ena le bophelo ba hae.
Okay. Nuna o blessed are. Ego, it's a low self-esteem.
O bua nnete.
Ego ya bontate?
E bua nnete.
So come on, jaman bontate le na le low self-esteem.
E bate.
Sure. But this thing, as much as Rika but it's very deep then. If in a little self-esteem, because now, if experience it affects your ego, it affects your self-esteem, then it's a problem.
It's very deep.
Yeah.
Very deep.
And the sad part go now, how do we move from this? Yatabayadi experience. And say maybe we creating a better community. How do we move from it? Because it's a lifetime thing. Le no gona le batho ba ba ileng di vacation, gona le ba itukisetsang go ya di vacation, gona le ba di tšhelete di fetsang go tsena, and right now they are enjoying life you. Now re reng mo go bone re latlhang batho ba lona.
A re tlo re next but it's just that go bohloko ka baka la hore dintho tse ding re di etsa today but di tlo affecta tomorrow. That is the only thing. Re etsa dintho today but di tlo affecta ka hosane. Ke bona bohloko fela.
Okay. ke kopa ke bale and then re movele ko pele ka show. Ke kopa iqala qalong ari ego ya bontate e very fragile. Le ha re ka pata our past, di past di na le tsela ya teng ya ho tswa. Motho le motho ha a jole le motho a kgonang ho mo afforda. Wa tseba o silira mo kileng ke convinced hore ntse ke kopana le banna ba wrong. Le re ba rekiswa kae banna ba betjhang bathong. Hobane rona ba bang, our loving hearts do not allow us hore re seke ra treat our partners like kings.
Ka ke mo ara a bana motho motho ena ka bolela ena ke mofuto jwang wa motho o tlile yana ne re bua ka WhatsApp le ena ke tseng most ya basadi ba nang le everything most ya basadi ba nang le everything hona le stage seo ba bang desperate that is why bankang le monna o mong
yes
now it's a stage is desperate that is why ke tseng le before nka raba kare o se ona ntse
age
kare o 40 years to upwards so
then ona na yena ho etsalang because ariene neng ikara akare ho partner ya baby nka salary o bonwe
ona yena ke motho a dumelang lerato go feta nthong ye nngwe le nngwe ena kwa lerate ena yena this lady a rometse message o that lady nka mo bolella ke re wena he ke bana ba ratang bana
yo I was sending anonymous. Can you just send us a voice note kapo kana re testa he wa re jwetsa o mofute wa motho o ileng hore o there ka lerato kapa o there ka chelet mari Dr November yene ka tsela yes o ka bua fela ho Dr November. And then today's show, it was supposed to be different. Re kwala ka note e high.
Joined by the guest.
Then yaba the guest haditle dampota and then yaba santse re tlo dula tjena. But for this year, the right pick ke our last show today. Re a Christmasing. Akere re a Christmasing bombe le bontate ra kwala tsatsing lena na ka net ra kwala
jwale ba batla modidi etsana
ke thabetse taba ra kwala a ke re ha re ba founa ba phone
ha re bila re tsamaya ka bona ntho tse re tsantse re tlo di bua
and then re tla le tsibisa hore na re bula neneng
sa tlo bula
if
ra
ibula
na se tlo bona kinyetse
o nyetse one kapa 2
1 or 2 na guys no le tlo mpona se kinyetse fa o bona re qetile ka the right pick ke yentse
o ra kopana le di candidate
now one thing for sure ntse ke tsela pele ne ke tlo batho le tlo kopana le na Facebookung ke nyetse or 1 or 2
le motshepe ha re yalo a se motho date 2 months or go fit viewers at home please trust him when he says le tlo kopana le ene mo Facebookung a nyetse trust him ke motho wa mantswe a gage gape go latella history di past tsa gage ha se motho dateang for long
na ke rata data for long honestly as not a ke rata data na go telele
go utla go bala dijara mo mojolong ke tshenyo nako
go di sa tla ke gone na ke gone data na go telele guys honestly as not ke gone that is why ka reng ene ka re batho ba ka ba understand gore because I can understand gore le fitla jwang selemong le 2 years ntse le jola not unless you don't have a discernment spirit, not that you can't read or learn. Ke libitsang o ithuta motho ke nka English.
I get untraumatized.
Yeah.
Untraumatized do bua ka dijara. Yo.
I'm telling you. I don't know because now I'm easily to know the person.
Hey,
Standing
you get to know the person easy. Maroka, know.
That is why it's just that into in Japan. Kana ko yeo ki alang kopana le na ke nke. But never think or I can ke ile jwalo. Then ha ke tlo ithuta we. It's just that the only thing it's alang gore ke tlo ba disappointed na go setsa gore mahare.
O so ntshitse lo ball.
Why o bua jwalo?
A ke re ne ke re wena ha motho o date. I can't understand how much o dateang nako telele how understand lo na why batho ba fitla selemo ba fitla bo 2 years I ke how understand now ke re wena o tla bo o na le moya wo o ithuta motho o nkeha now o ithuta motho ha ho tla maybe le thutana se le o ntsantsane bo lo bona ha batho ba bang banka dilemo ho ithutana on traumatized ka dilemo.
But I'm going to show you something. I get it good to know the person. Happy can only a discernment spirit.
Yes.
Can go for the incident. There's a lady in a company na wale ponese ne kimusiti mahati.
Yes.
Kilega le blend like this person, she's a good person. You company Liana
4 weeks.
4 weeks. How good?
She is very good.
Le ha se re tloela.
Le ha se le tloela she's very good.
A ke lo jetsa ka personality ya this person ke motho right.
O re bleletse.
Se re tloelang ke mo disappointed. That person tshene ke bone a le yona.
Day one.
Intse le yana, intse le yona le today. But it's just that ka baka la tsona dintho tsena tsa lefatshe ke le ka mo lose that person. Ka baka laka. That lady wa Pretoria ene ke kopane le yana ka la boraro. Be ke montsetsa mahadi ha sa tsmane marera go pula be ke tsamang ka ke lo hla ke re ke nya hai
Koso ngani vao
ke ngani vao
Nelemia to ko blele Nelemia na muhutsa
so nice so now mama ala tlola ke tsele tsoma ha khotsi o hlole
o tla dira for batho ba sale morago
hlole
o tla dira for batho ba sale morago eno ba mpatle eno o tla wena ke na le tšhelete
so a go go di fedi ba khotsi le se go di sampi but she about that lady
yeah le ene she
that lady ne ko ke le just got this person she's a good person
how whole
she was a good person. I'm faithful. Good person. Come fail.
Kwena le mo.
Ken na le mo I faithful that lady. She was a good person. Ntwena ke bone day one. Ka le jwetsa this person. Le yana ke mo disappointing. But she was still a good person. Personality. I remember that lady really China. Una room mpamiseta voice. Ne ke mo khalmele once azange ke phinde ke mo khalmele.
Yeah.
Next sebetsana le motho ena le ena ke bang kana wa le ponesa I guess
I doubt to akatseba iphamisa voice
next now but hona le batho ba ke dating le bona bao I did not do that ke ka kantsha madi disilimo sa ba sa fela I did not intend go banyala sile ene ke ba rata marono na le ntena ba jwetsa gore ene njwetsa gore la ha motho sa bua dintho tse powerful jo baby wa tsaba nna ke motho ratang ke motho jwang but the inner person nna go mplela re a se net
yeah
so now I think in Kiona Ferrantin Japan ke na le discernment spirit and I pick khono di bona that is why ke re now no ke tlonya do bona the right pick re qetile ka yona re qetile and ke bona ne ke qetile
Gare yo re qetile viewers a re sharp
na a green to ke ratang motho wa ka e ke mo kgethileng o number 11 o na itse ke ne ke batle
oh na chulo
mara ke rona dumetse
a ke re ho dumela ha se hore wena tsamaya o lo ipatlela ho dumela ko hore re tla batla re tla batla step
ona itse ke jole
oh wow
ona itse ke jole nna mpile permission
he papa o file visa
o na itse jwala o batle motho nyale o batle mosadi wa bobedi.
Okay.
Now whether ke
I
bona
understand.
show
Ka
o
understand.
sala e kore nna ntse ke tlo nyala wena ke tlo hla le yena kapa hlale motho mo kapa hlale bana ba le babedi mare ke atla ke a
Viewers at home, Dr. November are wena o hlaha le kapa le motho e mong kapa le bona
le yena le e mong
le yena le mong.
mare ke atla
Oho. E ka tle ko botsa potso.
ha botsa bring it all.
Ho ka etsahala hore o nyale Sthepu o bo sa nyale yena no mo kgethile. A ba sa be ho the two o ka hlahang le yona.
Honestly, that's not Araba to both. I don't want to lie. Obana ene make mo kgethile number 11 candidate. I respect that lady Kapilo Kakafo. I doubt Akisho. I doubt nganya last step abasa be part if kia step.
Yeah.
I doubt or nganya last step.
E be sa be party ya Sthepu.
Party ya step. Because Araba to both bankile ka kopana le bona. Azange ke bone motho. Le hoja ene and I never think it was an easy thing on her side. It was not an easy thing, but it was something anengale busy who deal ya or adumele partner or anke step. So I if ke tlo ya for step, I doubt or ngahla alisiko here.
Okay.
Because bana ba banka fela mo ke batho ba tsabang step bila ba se batla. And 29 basadi ba banga batho ba at least step ba bang o thole re ha ba tle step basadi le ntena hampe o thole le sa batle step ba tla kwetile bile le botswa le dikobommo le sexemo ba ba ka ro ka entsa tsheng e ka re le ka re fatse e ka ro ka screwfulla mona o bo entsa tsheng o e ka ro ka fa monna o ka ranso. So I doubt but oksala yo nna ke go policy ka mantswa reng 3 things so zenzile ndisi November 20 it's either ke tlo hla se ke nyetse I think it's either ya o hla ke tlo ke nyetse yona
E tlo etsahala.
ke tlo hla ke etsa jwang
O se o nyetse. Ma go tla tswa fela gore o nyetse candidate number 11. Kapa o nyetse motho e mong. Kapa o nyetse batho ba babedi.
candidate number
11 le motho e mong.
mare yona e tlo etsa ya o nyala teng a e tlo etsa
Already.
Mba fela ke diwa mo ya ke di experience tsela talo.
Viewers at home, and now ke kopa re kwale show. Truly speaking, ke kopa re kwale show, but it was lovely kanete. Jenny ya the right pick ibile Jenny nati. And you know
Ba ke kopa re ska ra kwala peng. Batho bana motho ska tlo makalla le tlwelo makalla nna. A gre re kwala show ke sonyale. Ha ba mpona ke tsamaya le motho ba ska ba makalla.
ba tsebe o ntse o batla.
It's either ke batla wa bobedi. Or ke batla o mong.
Oh. O freya ya. Maybe go utlwe ko thusi.
Ke freya jwang ba. Mara ntjekile ka o ihlalosa jalo. Nna ha le mpona ke tsamaya le motho ska la makalla. Because le ha ntjekile ke rata. Number 11 candidate number 11 ke mo choose. Ona itse Jola Dedi o thole motho.
Yes.
So la le ke la mpona ke tsamaya le motho guys. Ke
Le tsebe ke tumelano ya lelapa.
Ke a le kopa phumane ntwe ntsa bantu. Swang.
Sure.
Or if haya sebetsa mkhombe ha re nke hore haya sebetsa. Ya ka le candidate
number 11.
Ne. Agreement ke kwala sure it is not like I'm married because if batho bana ba tlokopana le nna ke nyetse then bana ba tla ba shocked.
Yeah.
If re kwala show ke nyetse
Bane ba tshwanetse ba ka ba shocked he ha ba kopana le wena ba tse ba bona le motho e mong. Yes.
Bana ba tshwanetse ba be shocked but no ha ona motho a tshwantseng a be shocked a ke tsamaya le motho next
Ha o soka o nyala.
a ke so nyale.
Yes, and o santse o batla.
Ha bohloko.
Viewers at home, if you see him, the restaurant kae
Ha
a
bana
tsamaya
le
ha re imazeng ke tumellano ya lelapa, ntate Moruti got a visa from candidate number 11 gore go o lo sheba e tla re ha o thotse o tla mo tlisa and then hey e be lenyalo mare he ka le kopa viewers at home ha re tsweng ditabeng tsa batho tsa ntate Moruti gore na o mona tsamaya le a motelele a mogutshwane a motenya a motsesane ha se ya rona eo ke tumelana bileng le yona le Oslebo re kwala show so the plan ene santse be le hore mohlang re kwalang show e kwalwa ke ntate Moruti le mosadi wa hae but ha ya ka tsela eo now re kwala show re ntse re kwala show ntate Moruti a soka a nyala now le tla mmona he di Facebook ntsa lona neng o tla hlaha he because ke motho a re shokang neng o tla lebese le mmona hlaha le basadi ba hae kapa le mmona hlaha le mosadi wa hae ne lona ntho e santseng le etse fela like am page ena ya rona le follow then le tlo khona ho tseba di update ka bophelo ba ntate Moruti November because bone bu interesting man bona le ntho tse monate now le tla like am page ya rona le follow and then share the page now the right pick journey it was very nice journey kore e bile leeto le monate nate hona le batho ba nkileng karolo hore the right pick e be monate and because today ke last show allow me as the host ya the right pick ke lebohe batho ba
o khutlela batho mang
ke leboha batho ba entseng show monate ha ke bua ka di candidate
oh
yes show ya rona hore e be le hore today le no le dutse di phone tsa lona la re bona ra hlaha lutwa sound e le right lutwa ho le monate we have our media people now re sebeditse le abu ntate Mpho Matshidisho Thandiwe Matshidisho Khaya Ntoi amohelang Kaya Kotoi amohelang Tele those were our media people now thank you Karabelo is le Oscarabelo now thank you so much our media people you know ka tseba o nona le nako di network di etsang eng le tsang eng now every time ba ne ba dira gore re tlhagelle re le right now re na le pleke e re shutelang go yona the Zone Car Wash and Restaurant to Sister Boso Ntate Nape and the staff sa the Zone wa tseba ene ra re fihla mo ne ka reng re haye you know thank you so much for welcoming yalona and hospitality ne re ja monate ne le etsa di cocktails monate go everything mo ene ka reng re haye. Thank you so much to the Zone. People, if you want a nice place in Bloemfontein to chill, just go to the Zone Car Wash and Restaurant in Bochabela man, Pela Paradise Hall. Now, Kileboe Hape, La More Beauty and Hair Salon. Nelimpona kirine kitla kili di makeup, kili smarty, ki instote smarty. Thank you so much, La More Beauty and Hair Salon. Dr. November, the candidate Kofela Takopanilzana, and then he was giving out flowers. And then we had sponsors from African Flowers. African Flowers, Ekamo Pela Mimosa. Now, thank you again. Thank you so much, African Flowers. From me, your host, the right pick. Up until we meet again, maybe here Dr. November Tlabayense show enwe. Lovely, and then the followers. Hey, lerato la ka folona.
What if you get a show and I'm sorry, I guess now.
Katsena ke nna host. A gona for le ka dira show be ke sa tlhage. No. O mpile leveleng e next yes. O ka sintlogela. A ke go tsa bua ka di standard. So ngizitse standard in se undata o ka sintlwele. Se ke le motho wa shaba no. Bobo?
Yeah. But what's about now, guys? On a serious note, it's a pity or re message. Hore ibe re emela banna, re emela basadi, re le busy, re keepile busy. Kore ke yona ntho e bohloko ke nana gore Satan wa etsa. Satan o destroy the future tsa rona tsa manyalo. It's a relationship. Ka mejolo ye o re jolang ka yona today.
Okay.
I get to get that.
Yeah.
So I think it's a pity because that is why today o bona ngole difficult to batho ba settle. When o sheba, it's not like banna ba teng ba sena basadi le basadi ba sena banna ba bangata ebile lona basadi le bangata. But the biggest problem that we have ke
Kore batho ba emetse manyalo ba le very busy.
Now ba gather the experience. No, the experience ke tsena tse etsang today be ha re sa kgona fita maphelong a batho ba bang. That is the only thing e tlo re shapang e ke bonang gore sentse qadile e re frustrated because now the experiences tsa rona di etsa gore se ka ra kgona fita maphelong a batho ka hohle we can't. So nna ke tlo re a ke tsebe re tlo thuswa keng ene yona batho ba batlang manyalo ba batlang le ho tlo nka grace ya ntate Modimo re kopane le motho yeo le tlo ratanang ene ebile le acceptana ka level tseo le leng ho tsona le ka seo le ka dintho tseo le nang le tsona. Ho tlo nka grace ya ntate Modimo re le acceptane le le jwalo.
Yes.
Ho tlo nka grace ya ntate Modimo, but otherwise it's going to be a problem because as we speak it's a problem ho kopane le motho yeo le ratane nowadays the experience they affect us so much. They affect the current relationship taruna, current marriages taruna, current partners taruna. Re affect wa ke di experiences tsena tse re di gadara hantse re emetse manyalo kapa re emetse di partners tsa mannete. So o bohloko tlo nka grace and ntate Modimo serious guys or re kopane le batho ba ratang ba willing to build le rona because now the expectations about they are very high.
Okay. It was indeed a nice show. We've learned a lot and we are indeed grateful. Mudimu kieu. And then Cynthia, it was nice joining you guys today. Have a blessed holiday. Novi. Indeed, Indeed, we learned a lot from you, Novi and Lebu. We were blessed to have you. I pray God continue, blesses and keep you guys. Okay. Khaleta Tsotso Dikelete. Are yes, wena girl Lerato. Kuena osi o love o host you forever. Yes. And then Cynthia are o single in tate November. Gate di sa butsi for you. Are di gate tsa gage di sa butsi for wena.
Are tsa hai? Are di gate tsa mojolo.
Oh. And then la simo ki ikopela lenyalo Novi. Ona go bathumba o etala. A go ikopela lenyalo. A ke tsebe ha ile re o ikopela lenyalo na re o mo rapelle gore
no re kana re kopana le dikhone no. Agree the right picture re qetile. No we are I'm willing re kopana le dikhone no.
Okay. And then Nuno blessed Arjola Novi unzole single.
No, Kiri. No, the date is again to what I'm saying. Panty to hard.
Tell us on the side back.
Sentence back. And on our batumba, more batumba. Hey, Lalmutene Kili Shore Leonard of Syrians into the room.
Honamo.
Honalai, Palelene.
Like to comment them.
Comment them. Bilabara bua nene hari bua kaba ili puku kaba mpete hape watu taking a number to yaba shapa kanna
shaka ipota kima
ote wanamo azante shapa mbatiki
eno mubua kasbaili ona kasa
motho and o tsene re builela le lebu re bua le yena re bona gore e ka re yatla
Ao, hle ka be ke ma-
mamo o teng
Yo, ka be ke mang hle?
thanks for a lovely show your Monday evening
Will never be the same. Oh,
again. It was very nice to have this show. It was amazing indeed.
Ah,
Ke thabile Novi ho monate ke mang?
re thabile. Jesus.
So motho e ke buang ka yena o teng mo. Ne? Re se re bua le yena re mo founela. Itse re santse re ho yena ke a sa hlole tshwara founu tsa rona a nyamela ya ba o nyametse a bo hape ntho e shapang batho ba ntshaba hape batho ba bang they don't give them ba iphi monyetla or ba ndumele ke tumele pela bona because ba ntse tso ya ka Facebook.
Oh.
Yeah, and then abatse more and le bana ba ntse ba ntshudisa ba bang abatse bora ba ka ba jola le nna ka ore va
Re kwale ga dipikirege. Ha ke batlo tlo thanda ke le mo pele ga gago. Ka o kopa o tla ba dira short video ke tlo go tlhagela. Ka o kopa o tla bua ka Vrydag. Go tla se kwa le bona. Atle.
nagere bana ba ntse ba ntshaba abatse bore me good person I'm a good person.
How?
O ka enjoy company ya ka o ka enjoy
Environmental moyo.
e ka nnete so ne ke re ke explain gore ke dintho tse ka di enjoyang ka nne ke di explain ya pele ke moqoqo
Nna ke tlo trenda. Ya pele ke moqoqo
ya
and
pele
then
ke moqoqo ya bobedi ke company ya ka o tlo thabela ya boraro ke za I get fafa. Karitana. O tla tloa. O lo ema gating ya ka. O lo hweletsa.
ho na le batho mo.
Ke amela vidafi. Mpa le ntshukudisa fela. Amela vidafi. Mpa fela le nyatsa. Fela ntshaba la nyatsa.
So ono re ba ka nna banna ba tsenya di-CV.
Ha ba le kenya. Ha ba le kenya.
Kenya di-CV bana ba ko gae Dr. November. Ariel. And then thanks for Johnny Dichabe. Thanks for guidance in this show. We learned a lot. Our marriage affirmed because of the show. Galeboa haholo hle ntate Johnny.
But host was the best, ne?
Yay!
But host was the best, ne?
Yes.
I wonder Muruti Umonka Kai.
Yes.
Is bubbly and fast thinker.
Yes.
And I doubt if I generally would have a without her.
Hey! Dabonga man. Hey.
Also,
Homonate ha ntso fuwa di-flowers go so phela.
What if ke tlo kopana le motho I love you.
A ka semphiti.
Ivore a re kopanele ke Vrydag.
Ha re kopaneng ho Lekker Vrydag. Sunday sermons and Monday motivations. We love you, Dr. Novi. Since ko tseba ka nnete, even if I had a long day, I know by just watching you ke tlo ba sharp. Wow. It was very nice to have this show. It was amazing indeed. And then thank you for a lovely show. Our Mondays evenings will never be the same again.
And then agreement seleke ntwe ke lekang o hlalosetsa batho ke leka o imaketa yo agore ke mara hello mme wa ka ha motho a dropa phone ha o mo letseditse ba ntse a dropa phone ha ona hano re kana ba o busy motho oh mama ke tla go tla wena
Betty, I give thumbs up to our host indeed. Halala.
Betty agree now.
And then Abigail, she's funny too, hey?
Betty kimulotana. Betty kimulotana.
Lona lintira buzoeti nekinande because show ya kwala. I'm gonna be emotional. Labana kitleke sa makeup. Neki tuksedito hotola.
Abigail.
Hey, Abigail Mutloung, she's funny too, hey?
But nah, guys.
Kinane fun.
Nah, Lina Mons. Okay, Ki market la di la se.
Ona na go ga tu market ntse ke le mo kapa kilo sheba for go tlhagela ga ite ko.
Ai, ke na is good o confirm o no o park. Mara ke mo tsena le lerato.
Ona le lo.
Why you share?
I can't lele yam because o gona re rata ka bana ba ga go ba go kereke.
Mara o latela because bile pelaka. Ke motho friendly.
O friendly.
Ha ke motho o ratang di joke.
O a di rata.
Ke di emetse Viva also o more lovely. Lona le sebediswa lona le a sebediswa. Also lovely e ka reng ka nnete a ka thola a smart and loving hubby like you. You are the best. Keep in check. Automatically song hotatar like me.
Ke tole mona tsona ndwe. Yes.
Wa bana yona se bisa ke ntate modimo. Ke motho lovely Linda. Ke motho lovely. Loving like motho. Ke na ke lovely.
Lovely ke nda wena motho o loving.
Oh loving. Caring.
No mona matriwa.
Joke rata fun.
O rata environment e thabile.
Ke rata environment e thabile.
Yes.
Ke rata ho tswa.
O ya ka. O ya mo ka so that mood.
Okay.
Oh, but about the restaurant. Oh, askis kina no go di holiday askis.
But why say the whole day?
We talk say the holiday was na partner. What out about the men mosadi wa gago.
Okay.
That is why how o rata go tswa ke ipotsang o ile kae because I kera out.
Then ke motho ratang ha ke le ka tlong ke phele life ya boruti.
Oh.
Ke motho ratang kiss.
Ha ke tsebe. Oi, o sina basadi ba go re shebile ke.
Ke motho tashi. Then ke motho no a ratang o ko bolla.
You Ashley, you. Sure. You. Uta tloga ka isa.
But nka nyala fela for nitsahle.
no sa tlhoka le ise mo a ke re tseo ne tla ba motho ana tla iponela jo yaanong ga o so bua yana mo social media for o motho o ya
le cheese ke rata cheese bua nnete motho ena ngotse mona re le cheese bua nnete ena le tlhola le mpona ke rata o mo tshwara amthashi ha re bue nnete
ke dumelane le wena ntate moruti ke re yes you are touchy tse ding papa nna a ke ditse like ke ditse tleo
e ka se itseng
ke tho jwalo ke re like a ke ditse now ha se tse a ke re like loving I said yes you are loving caring I know la o fitla office man hona le utla bo botsa batho ba right batho ba like a caring person ha tlo ke gore a kere only when it comes to his partner yes now taba ya hore o hlolwa ke environment tense o rata mo lenteng go tsegiwe go garwane go ne mnat you do it la re le ko office that one I know and then makobolla bo ha ke ditsi nna a ke itse o rata mo go kobolla ba go kobollang nobi o na le commentering o kobolla
kobolla maoto a motho ke a mokobo so ka nnete le mona ke a thaba ke tshwana le ngwana e reng la hana lla marafu a sethetsa la malla a kampa sisa pelo
hey yo
o kila bona ngwana halla o bomfatsetsa le nna so se ke re ha e ka ba leatla those are the things ne ke re ke market because show yena ya kwalo today ne ke re ke market
o ka tlung o itse ka tlung ha o mo ruta ha o mo o ntate
ene ho nna mona hana ke reka ntlo ena ke fumane na le bo dintho tse behang ntho ke le ka etsetsa yena ke ithotse na le mo ke nya dibotlolo ke a di kenya
di wine stand o thotse na le wine stand
yena mara yo be ka ke yena so wine stand di tene ke di kentsene
hi empty wine stand ya gago
wa se yetsang ha ke bona re di tlo expire
o wa di lahla
ha ke bona re di tlo expire ha ka mo ke na lo sheba lengolo la ne la John chapter 2
kancane incane yavela anyana nithi nse
ke le ka o hlalosa haka
in your own space
in my own space
yes yes
ke na lo sheba ke re mar dintho di a tshwanela expire ne ke tsenyo di sebetse o bona so le yona e motshwantse motho a tsebe gore ha ka fihla motho a se ka re jo kana bona moruti
entle ko batla gore o batla gore ngentle
ke re haka ha ke moruti mona ha ke moruti ha ke moruti sefapa
ntate
ha ke ntate mo botsa mo se o la vlore haka ha ba tle ka di-appointment na mo botse
re santse re foune gore ntate ne re kopa go tla
because ba tseba re mo ha se kere ke ha se machine mo
ha nnete teng sebele o ile wa etsa clear
ka ke entse clear anyways ha ke nke gore ba tlile ha le batla fetela ka morao
o re go jetse pele ene motho ha sa o jetse eng le eng ya ka e bonang a tsebe mona ke ha hao because a kere ka morao ke di-sliding bomme le bontate
ke bo swimming pool
ke garden entle
so But you don't just come back into
Backyard. And then hona le motho a itseng and then hape o rata butlile.
O bua nnete ke rata butlile. Ya motho le hlasa ke le khone. Ai
Le ne ke re ke tla mo then a re love language ya ho ke.
love language ya ka ke Xhosa.
Hey, yo. As que se viu essa dor. Ah, c'est de brute.
Love language ke puo. Love language. Ke rata bua Xhosa.
Jadi di sana ada mulut. Jadi jangan di example. Hai.
Ke marata ke no ape mo. We listen and we don't judge. Malesh mukubung.
Ayo.
But I agree, not understand. What the love language. Agree language ke puo.
Jadi kembali di sana ada mulut.
Yo rata. Love. Ke le rata. Language ke puo. So ke mkhosi. Ke rata bua Xhosa. Ai.
Bare ya ka ke Sesotho. O ngare ya dokotela ya ka ke Sesotho love language. Hi viewers at home. Hi. Okay, ntate moruti. Wena o rata partner ya gago e dira eng mo go wena? E ke re wena o tashi o dira now, what are the things o ka thabela partner gago e di dira?
Ka pele ke rata partnera e tashi. Ne. Ke rata partner e jwang?
E tashi.
Kore la apologize. Na apology ya ka when you apologize. Maro apologize o ntshwara. Se ke mo tsema.
Go bo khutlela show.
Now when you apologize, how apologize o ntshwara. Yo! Jesus. Kapi. Ne. And then ke rata motho o friendly. Ne, o friendly. Motho friendly man. Abon motho re qoqa. Number 3, ke rata motho e re buang thong le nngwe.
Wena le
Motho e re buang
ntho
e nngwe le nngwe.
Yes.
And then but motho ya understandang gore but we are joking. Abon e seng gore everything iba personal renka personal no.
Okay.
Kore abon and
yes.
then ke rata motho ya ratang go bua if I say happy. E se motho a tlompha mosebetsi gore ke swantse ke profit. Ke ne ke motse baby are you okay? Abare I will be okay in now. No ke tla ba right no. Nna ke batla motho communicator, motho buang if I le happy ka pasi ona le ntho e sa modulang a ntla communicate. And then ke rata motho o ithatang o clean. Ka tlung le body ya hae a be clean. Le ka tlung ke rata motho a ithatang a o. Abon body bo mapheya a gase it's not a big deal for me. It's not a big deal but be motho a ithatang nje a ratang bo clean a ratang le koloi e clean. Mara ya basadi a se ngata ba ratang koloi e clean bo okay bona ke
a
ba
ke re
fatsang
ke Alice ka
Yeah.
koloi ke e
Then eba mosadi ya ratang moko mthom be mosadi le ha sa e rate
e be mosadi kaofela
ebe mosadi ya
e direle kwa ntate moruti
la sa e rate But
a ke batle mo photo dula sentle e direle
ebe mosadi la sa e ratela
Mare-
mare ebe motho a compromisang
oho
because le nna
mamela ge that means o batla motho a compromisang when it comes to sex motho a touch ya ke now body surprises o motho a thabelang gore at least nini o shapiwe ka surprise nyana
a ke motho ya ratang a ke motho ya ratang mare yo nkare wena o ya rafe ke motho a ratang surprise
wena o
ke motho a ka reng o motho a ka yang all out swantse all out nna ka isa tsampa fela
o please wa ke dilo nyana tse nyane
a ka isa tsona ke na re sa tonompa sa batle fela ke be le I'm not a difficult person.
o motho a ka o rekela streetwise 2 sa KFC o tla bo o re rekela gore nana fela se leke motho ba o nagana o tswa kerekeng a o tlela streetwise 2 I mean
na a ke bontate bana ba o tshwantse o nagale ka thata
Yeah.
o etse di-surprise o etse ai nna
that means
solanka re le happy
Yes.
solanka re spenda nako together solanka ene gape ke rata nako ke rata attention ke rata nako that is why
love language ya gago ke attention le botash that means if motho a ka ba lifeng ya gago a ba sa etse ntho
gape
tseo
nngwe ke ratang e ko spoiler and wa mpona and a ke spoile nje
wena o ya extreme
ai nna ke extreme
o ya extreme
Yeah, no.
now married to you a ke re tseo ke tse wena o ratang di etsa partner now tsenana tseo o partner o ka thabelang partner a di etse then ke tsona love language ya gago that means if nka ba bophelong ba gago but be ke sa o fe attention be ke se touch e be le gore ha ke apologize le ha nka apologize ke phekile dikoloi ke tseo di hlatswa ke tsa but be ke sa apologize ka tsile o khotsofatsa that is not your love language you would not understand me Wa bona?
Ke batla.
Yes.
But ntho Ivo are jo yaka e tletse dieta koloi I have shoes for all kinds of
Occasions.
No, but let me tell you something like I said to basadi bona we cannot expect to koloi tsa basadi di be clean but then now take your ratang I don't mind to take your car ke se car washing or nna ke nge yaka re tshintshane go fe mo tsamaya ke clean le koloi I don't mind because can understanding ya re dikoloi tsa
na go
basadi
itse ke phoso bo sena mosadi ma
nna
a
ke
go
bona-
tlo dilo tse o di dirang
a mare wa tseba
mare ke phoso man ke phoso
wa
no
tseba
ka
ke-
itse no ka itse
nna ke satane fela ke nana satane o lomelea
and o itse dilo tse di yang pelong o dira dilo tse di yang wa bonahala hle you are a simple person shame
Wa
who
bona
loves harmony
wa bona
yeah
nna if nka dula pela hao wa nka ntho earbuds wa
She
nkomaka
says-
ditsebe wa nka
ke
nail cutter,
lefatshe
wa nkata manala wa mobotse
ka itse
those are my favorite thing ke roba le hodima hao
o lolo re tsebenyana
makeditsebe o nthube shaka zulu yo
oh mare dilo tse di priceless hle
nna ke motho a jwale wa tseba
mare I
nna I'm a
know
very simple person guys very simple
yeah no mara ke nana ba ntse ba mametse ladies a ke re ntse le mametse le nna ba tlotlang for ho ba partner ya tate moruti
ana but nna se le ke batla o bolela I'm a very simple person
Very simple,
and nna o ka se nka se o qakeise kore I'm not this person o tshwanetse o utlwe sa tsebe gore what can I do for my man no no nna
o monahanelo bo motlela bohobe ka lebese o bo
Leno.
mofa
leno
a hle mo shebe bona Mike sheba no nna tlo etsa show a le jwang viewers at home le skela tsama ba dio e etsiwa ka ka Friday. Okay. But I'm sorry, we have to close the show, viewers at home. Truly speaking, we have to close the show. Lorena ne re sa rate but Shaka Zulu. Bohabe bo brown. Kalibis. And he eats it like a ento. Birthday ya gage o tla ba ditse kereke ka tlasa half daka a ba rapelo atlelo bohobe bo bile bo sa slice wa rate bo slice tse a batlelwa le ka pint ya lebis a ba itjella jalo a ba le satisfied a le okay. Now he's not a very difficult person. He's not a difficult person in ibile yena ke motho ntho tse simple. But if you come ka harmony ai ke motho wa khotsi
nna ke shapoka gore na ke
I'm
not a difficult person. Hey, we're not difficult. No, I don't spend the night.
Hey, on a motor, Malesh Mukubu Twalo Are Novi. I'm sure your birthday is in December, like mine. Naluena, we like beautiful, simple, and clean environment. Yes.
She's my favorite person. Malesh.
Viewers at home, Harakwalen show.
Harakwal.
And then hey, let's send the WhatsApp. Lunabo Osiba Batamolika.
Personal.
Yanumbo Hakisa then. Utamut ut. I can't move to Labare. Ki very common that Mutik interested. Raya. Rilo sheba mutoko velo.
Yo. Now jala kusale batla lona ba le right pick se ke matha ke le mono.
Ha re ka di camera.
No camera ke sa batla camera.
Mamel, le nna lona re tsamela la ka go mothong go velo ko.
A tla shootela di ke tla bontsha video call ha ke na le motho ke mothotse. Number tsa ka ke 073.
Yo o fana ka tseo. O sera se mos.
073 202 9079. 07, no camera, no host, no Tandy, no video call. Uta Malaysia, December people are simple and special. Shaka Zulu.
Ke tseba ka ngwanaka.
But runa kan it guys, number tsaka 073 202 9079 073 202 9079.
Jalo ka show ekwala o risa restaurant go na.
061 503
4617. 061 503 4617. Kupo di peta sa o qetela 061 503 4617.
Otube Malaysia ke motene kile ka mo zooma ka distepo go runyetse. Malaysia ka ntunyetse ntate modimo ba bless.
Bless.
Le partner ya hae. Ne. Then ho buba le mongwe teng mona.
Yo, na o bua ka no bless.
Jale zooma.
And then
Antibodies.
Sure.
Go blele. Kile blele guys.
Re blele ke anyway re kwala show man. We listen, we don't judge.
E realize guys.
Ananza go docha. Itlagisa tle baby girl. No sir. Baby. Mamiki. Ga tle ngwana go e rela. Hello.
E ra itlhaise.
Hle. Re ka setse next again.
Ba re buile re ne re bua le yena le lebu re aya motho a sa re ba di call le lebu ene ke sa ikiliwa nene a ba hlaga hape nene a re yena o na lo shapwa ke letswalo but the problem a rona lo shapwa ke letswalo
ya no ha hlage mos
motho mo ntsa type
hlaga tle ngwana go gae ene ke mogalletse go ke ba re bolelle hle le nna ke batla ya
Ano ke batla
Yene.
from the water of the horse drink.
O reng wa batla gore a o re yalo o re?
Ke batla from the water of the mouth of
Drink the horse.
drink the horse.
O reng wa o re yalo?
Ke batla
E bua ka Sotho.
ka Sotho. It's a mulomong.
We listen, we don't judge. Yes, we listen, we don't judge. Aitle.
No, nna ke ra ke mo jwetse ne ha ke sa bua nna ba re ke re motho ene a yena a itlhaisa.
Bua.
Ha confess because we listen,
We don't judge.
Guys, ke kopa motho ena confess. O teng paneleng mona. We listen my less.
We
but
don't judge.
Ke kopa hlae.
E tlhagisa ge.
Ai
Yo.
pere ni sa ka mlomo. Water drink the horse.
Wa re pere e nwesa ka molomo. E ne tla nwesa kae?
Water hlae. Malaysia I'm sure ke mantsa dialoma.
Manje ntse sa comment today.
Ona le teng,
O na le teng?
O teng. Ba ke kopa a itlhaise motho ene ga se batla kwala hlo. Hlaha hle. Vela e tlhaise.
E tlhagisa hle. Yo e sa le ke gotelela bodi matla. Tlaga hle motho. A o nana a mang.
Ivare a ska re jwetsa. Nna ke sa bua mara ke kopa monga ditaba ena a itlhaise. Ha hlae. Re batla palosong.
Nne ke nagane ke Eva ya no ha ile ene a re ha Eva tlhaga ka smile it has to be manja.
Re itse monga show
We listen, we don't judge.
Okay.
Kanti motho o reng we listen, we don't judge a se ne ke nne ke ene nna.
No ha hlae. Ha bua. Guys a ke re kwala ha qeta hore ke nna motho.
Re tla be re kwala show go fela gore tu.
Re mo judge a re discuss.
Re rena bye bye.
Re jwetsa hore o mang
Ka ba re fela ke nna.
then we listen,
We don't judge.
and we don't give people a chance
to say whatever. But about bua, people would not comment after ore ke nna. Then re kwala show.
motho o teng.
Okay. Motho teng, motho commenta. You.
Batho ba curious man.
Okay. Come on, man. Come on.
Motho na mferekanya hle. Yo. Re nkeile, kinkehile.
Ana o hlanza.
Ha bohloko.
Ekiwe.
Male, we listen, we don't judge. Motho re jana ko re batla kwa.
10. How also you comment re bua lina la gago? Ne, if you don't comment, then rona re bua lina la gago. I'm giving you 10 seconds.
Seconds.
10. 9.
Seconds.
A ke mo itse ka ke mo tatetse ntate mogodi.
Malesa Abigail. No.
Ntate mogodi a re no. 10. 9.
I call out 20.
Yo.
20.
20. 19. 18. 17.
What ke sure ke Eve.
Le nna ke inaganne ene. Kana ne ke le kae? Ha ntse ke sheba di-comment pelo ka kutlwelela e re tlo. Ke ntho. Butle. La re distance. Ke ne ke le mo 17, 16, 15, 14, 13,
Abigail le yena.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
Ke
T. Kita never. Guys, we promised. Put a motho. motho
ke yena e
ao hlena ao ba wa smile
ke yena e
ba sa bona gore ke mang le tla bona le tswa jwang ao hle
ke yena motho
ao hle ke kgalemela moya wa letswalo
a re ke itse ke nna batho
eya
ebile walla
ya hlela ao Evodia
ke yena ena he Evo sapwa ke letswalo neng
mare re na le modimo wa mehlola re sa
ka le yena
raf
a la ka saka re lata le mosako
yao batho a ba soka ba bona o saka yang ka le ke re Frida yo a lona mare le thusa ke ntho tse nnyane ho saka fela ai
ya nna qetile guys ne ke re ke re kwale show fela ke le jetse hore mang mona show nyena o kilang ka pelo tsa runa ka storm pelo tsa runa
we listen, we don't judge. Yes. Hey, kima kana na itse ga saka.
Mara ona potse one fela wa tlo botsa Evodia. Rona na bothata ke.
Evo, now that unobontse interest and unobua le mo Dr. November, onahana what turned you off?
Turn her off.
Turn her off. You don't know.
Oh.
Yes, we don't. You don't know. You don't know. Oda mbela gore o se lerato nna next Saturday ga of I just gore ga ke dile le letswalo wa bo maga ke ga o itse yes Evo, talk to me my darling, talk to me.
We listen,
we don't judge. Yes, we listen, we don't judge.
Maleshe bua ke moqeke because le di some bench
maleshe bua le
manje ka ya tlo qeka mogotsi wa hae because ke di some bench batho ba a ke panele wa le ntho kana ke mang yana ne ke re ke ntho
ofe
ke ntho one ke mang
ke Cynthia le maleshe
le beauty
yes
le ntho
a re kwale nga Arabi ha re kwale lena ke bikinyana fela o ka re fa ganyane fela gore mara we listen, we don't judge. We listen, we don't judge. Wena mara ke ntho e leng gore maybe dutse ka selubeng o ka batla gore la go buka yona. We listen, we don't judge. Jaka re kwala show. We listen, we don't judge.
Nka khalla kopana le yena fela ke mmone ka mahlong. We listen,
we don't judge.
Mona fela. Agree? Haya sebetsa ntwa ka le. Mona fela.
Hey, Dr. November, we listen, we don't judge. Ene ana ka
khalla. La kopana robotom fela.
Yes.
Aba bula first ya koloi. Le nna be ke bula first be go. Oh, ko ena life.
Okay.
We listen.
We don't judge.
We see.
We don't judge. Yeah. So Dr. November agana ka khalla fela ho bona life, and then you see each other. You don't touch. We don't judge.
Ka koloi di roboto.
Utlwa ke re mamel. You see each other. You don't touch each other. Rona we don't judge. Yes. So what do you us Evo? Tell us for now what do you kapa jwang? Ha yo gape wa bo. We listen, we don't judge. Arabe. From here, at least step number 1. Sakali Dr. November. I guess Dr. November is a powerful man of God. Kitsusitwe kitlolo. Kubaige. Cynthia, wow, botsa he Ivo are. Even Eva, we listen, we don't judge. Why didn't you give it a chance? A go tshositswe ke tlolo hle. Hey, jwale re etsa jwang yo? Ya motho a tshositsweng ke tlolo.
No, but I understand. I see an affair. When I'm talking about the basa just to atumela married. It's just that I agree. Yena ubuisa ukurufela uhole.
Yeah.
But if anaka atumela, emu utla ubulela hore. But ba anointed how easy to.
Uba atumela.
Yeah. Easy.
A go atla mo kerekeng tse surprise. Yo, sonda so o tla bo o thabile ka ga kereka ka mo.
Ke lo rara ka English.
Yo! Hey!
Ke rara ka English. You know God is.
Usabare Jesus she. Kapa Moses she went to fetch the Israelites.
No, but on a serious note, guys, how is Libosilike? Ona linako yeo ba sa goleng.
Yeah.
How is? Ona linako, but le nna ha ke ketse it's there. Because when you are anointed, ona le ntho a kisa khone explain it will take time if nka tsana ke explain. Wa bona ke opela candidate engwe ene bua le every time a bua le buka video call a le kwaqwa ba bua a le interested a feel re kwaqwa ka tsatsi le leng be ke re ke kopa fela ke bua le ena ka video call ona drop a phone that lady a drop a phone ya ba ofedi ya ba sa batla nix
yo
wa bona so it's ya etsala but the reality of the truth ko mohlang motasa atumetse pelaka o tla enjoy ka net.
And because you understand and you know hore hona le that thing ya anointing on nang le yone o try by all means to make people comfortable. A hona le batho ba o batlang ba go address ka title ba dirang. If you can get a chance to be with Dr. November Ladula Fats, shame o tlo feel very comfortable and o tlo ba monate o tlo thaba. Khale itse re kwetse show marentleke.
The riqoqwa artsama. We listen.
We don't judge.
We don't judge.
When I talk a security ma ya gago e personally ya bogale.
Follow. I know when net. Ba qadi.
Assess. Lona mare lona le ya mare guys. Mare lona.
Ba qadi.
Lona. Man.
Ba se ba qadile ngwana batho.
Yo. Ai, atleng mare u ayo le sorisa stress. Bye plus.
Arba jolo I know them.
Why? Lutlusa bohloko he. No, goodbyes. Good night. Good night.
Abi, thank you so much. Males, thank you so much. Maragrika to Kopana Friday. Legal Friday. Thank you so much.
Kitimi loyalty be.
I get loyalty ya ka yeno. Can need.
Yo, I don't exactly take it like I'm alive.
Not unless you don't jive le Friday.
Ke tshabela ha o bua ka dilo tsele. A ke re nna malume ka itse ke le Sotho. Ya no o tla e tla ga di bona o tla ba hopotsa price a lobo.
Ah mar guys ke go papa se ba mosula falletsa Ivo hle. Parce que ba mosula falletsa.
Ba block Ivo. Ba block.
Ne ditoti tsa banna ba tlo ba santse ba molata ka dikhone.
Ko lona le rekela data fela ntho tse mpe hore atch. Ai. Wa ahleng.
We listen, we don't just guys. Goodbye.
Bye. Man, why is better I want to move here? No.